Hey, what is up, my dudes? So, today I have a very special guest here with me. I'm sure you have seen him in the background of my videos, and it is... Excuse me? Today I have a very special guest here with me, and it is my cat, Ponyo. He is a sweet, sensitive boy. He is very particular when it comes to his toys. I have bought him so many toys over the 2 years that I've had him. There are like 3 that he kind of always sticks to. And I'm going to be presenting these to Ponyo and seeing what his reactions are to them and hopefully determining which toys are his favorites. I don't think the results are going to come as any surprise to me because I already kind of know which ones he likes to play with and which ones he doesn't. But I also just kind of wanted to showcase what an asshole he is because he has all of these toys and, well, you'll see the ones that he likes to play with. You ready, bud? You ready to get going? We're gonna play with some toys. So I'm gonna start with like the stick toys. So like stick and string toys, generally he likes them. He likes to go after them. If you like run around with them, he'll chase them. We do have a couple, so I'm going to try each of them out and see which ones he likes the best. Shit. Okay. Yes. So next we've got just the straight up ribbon toy. Okay, the next one. This one, I already know that he absolutely loves because he will take it by the little lobster dude and he'll drag it around the house with him. But weirdly enough, he doesn't seem as interested in it right now. Oh, there we go. There we go. You're being so lazy right now. Okay, now the last stick toy it's kind of ridiculous. This is Ponyo's favorite out of all of the stick toys. And you'll see, it just has a string at the end of it. It's this massive stick with this string at the end, and this string once had feathers. But the thing is, Ponyo took it and he ate all of the feathers off of it. But now there's just a string, and he still loves it, and if there was no string and it was just a stick, he would still love it anyway. Look at this. Look at this. It's just a stick now. It's just a stick with a tiny bit of feather at the end. Like, this is just about garbage now, but I cannot throw this away because Ponyo will be absolutely upset because this is one of his favorite toys in the world. Yep. So now we're gonna move on to a category that Ponyo isn't the most interested in, but he still has a couple of favorites, and that is like, I guess generally like little balls. We're gonna start with this guy. You wanna play with that? Next, something similar. Balls like like this usually have bells in them, but these didn't come with them. Yeah, there is like no interest in that whatsoever. What about this paper ball? Nothing? How about pom-pom? The sparkly pom-poms, however, but he will catch the pom-poms and bring them to me. So sometimes he's into them. They're just not his favorite. I know. Out of all of these, which one is your favorite? Which one do you want to play with? Nothing. Okay, so next we're gonna do like little plush toys. We're gonna start with this dude. Whoa! Oh yeah. 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 This is just like a stuffed animal from IKEA. Oh, oh. There's a mild level of interest there. So this toy is a little flamingo that my brother bought for the cats that our dog ate the tail feather and foot off of. So the next toy is this is another toy that our dog likes to steal. Oh, okay. Are we into that? Are we into this? And that landed in the litter box. Good job, me. So next up, I have a little mouse thing that I sewed. Ooh, do you like this one, Pinto? Do you like it? Oh wow. Next, in the plush toys category, we have this little mouse. This is another one of those that he will play with by himself. He will yowl when he catches it and let the whole world know that he has it. But if I throw it for him, he will not go after it. See the difference between one that's like pretty new and one that has been played with a whole bunch. Do you want any of these? Any of these? Look. Nothing? So the next category I'm just gonna call miscellaneous. So we're gonna start with this. This is a cardboard tube from a roll of dog poop bags that has been chewed to death. Literal trash. Okay. Okay, next, same thing. This is trash. Have I proven my point that you love to play with trash? So next is Ponyo's favorite toys ever. I could make an entire video of his favorite versions of this item, but it is hair ties. You want it? You want it? Now from first glance, especially with his reaction right now, you would think, oh, you know, he's kind of into that. Nothing crazy. He fetches them. These are his favorite things in the world. He loves to shove hair ties underneath doors where he can't get them, and then he will try desperately to get them and cry when he cannot. So yeah, basically, the lesson that I want you to get from this is that my cat is an asshole and I don't know why I buy him toys. You are crazy. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess that's about it for this video. I just wanted to do something that was easy and fun and just allowed me to kind of spend some quality time. Bro, the fuck? You're just gonna leave now? Rude as hell. Anyway, so I just wanted to do something that was fun, that let me hang out with Ponyo a little bit. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I try to post new videos every Monday and almost every Thursday. If you have any other ideas for things that I can do with Ponyo on this channel, leave it in the comments below because I would love to see that. And I will see you guys in the next video.